How to change account type in QuickBooks. I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and from the top right corner we want to click on the gear icon. Once we have selected it, we will go to chart of accounts under your company here. So I'm going to click on chart of accounts, and this will load up all of our accounts on QuickBooks. So depending on which one we want to edit, we will simply locate it and click on the down arrow here next to it. Once we have clicked on it, you will see an option to edit. So we're going to click on edit here, and here's where we see the account type. So if you want to change the account type, we'll simply click on this drop down menu and you can select a new account type through these options here. So for example, if I want to do credit card, I will select it, and then I will do the detail type here, the name, I can set a new name, a description, and the balance right here. After I have tapped out this information, I'll simply click on save and close, and this will have successfully changed the account type on my QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.